Hi guys, for today's video, I'll be showing you how I am preparing for a bulk order from a company. I will also be giving some business tips and ideas how to handle and manage your business and time properly. Right now, I'm here in Landers in BGC. I'll be doing some chocolate shopping here. Since mas mura rito yung mga chocolates compare with other groceries and supermarkets, and at the same time, mas marami ring choices ng chocolates dito. Yan, may nakita lang akong 50% discount na mga toiletries. For those who are not familiar what Landers is, they are selling imported items like chocolates, toiletries. Meron yan, marami silang mga choices talaga ng chocolates and most of the time, maraming sale. I am preparing for a 200 boxes of breakable hearts from a company. So I'll be needing plenty of chocolates. I will also be needing around 1,500 pieces of Oreos. So mamaya yon papakita natin kung saan ko binili yung maraming Oreo na yon. If you are planning to have your own baking business soon, I am suggesting na kung ano lang muna yung meron kayo sa bahay, like for example, you don't have mixer yet, you can start by selling mga products na hindi kailangan ng mixer. Like muffins, cookies. Yan. Pwede kayo mag-start muna dyan. Then gradually, kapag nakakabenta na kayo, pwede kayong mag-ipon paunti-unti para makabili kayo ng mixer. Ganun lang din yung ginawa ko before. Before kasi, I have one mixer lang. Kasi before pa ako mag-start ng baking business, nagbe-bake na talaga ako for my family. But right now, meron na akong 3 KitchenAid, meron na akong 3 cake chiller, and 2 freezer, tapos napa-aircon ko na rin yung workstation ko. Unti-unti ko yung binili sa mga sales ko. So, I am suggesting na wag kayong basta-basta maglalabas ng puhunan kung meron naman kayong gagamitin. Like kagaya nga ng ginawa ko, nag-start muna ako sa kung anong meron ako. Then gradually, nag-add ako paunti-unti. So ayan, kung nakita nyo, sobrang daming chocolates. Iba-ibang brand, iba-ibang type. Pero I am choosing the small ones kasi yun yung kasya dun sa breakable heart. Since dun sa loob ng breakable heart, it has different kinds of gummies and chocolates. So talagang perfect yung mga small packs of chocolates lang. This video nga pala was taken January 25, I guess, weeks before the pick-up date, which is on February 13 pa. Pero as early as that, nagpe-prepare na ako. Guys, sa ganitong business, sobrang importante ng planning and time management para maiwasan yung overbooking and at the same time yung conflict when doing the orders. Like for this one, since yung breakable heart, pwede ko siyang gawin ahead of time. Then the chocolate covered Oreos, pwede rin siyang gawin ahead of time. Yun na yung mga inuuna namin. So, I'm almost done with shopping here in Landers. Yan, sobrang dami. So, bill reveal, around 15,000 mahigit. That's for the chocolates lang, ha? Hindi pa kasama dun yung Oreos. So, medyo napagod ang tita nyo. We had our lunch there. I'm with my husband nga pala. So, change outfit really quick. Charot. So, right now, I'm here naman in Mega Mall. yung mga binibili ko naman dito is Ferrero for my edible tower, and I'll be getting, I guess, 30 packs or more ng Oreo. Kasi nga, since sabi ko sa inyo, I'll be doing around 1,500 pieces of chocolate covered Oreos. By the way guys, yung binili ko dito ng mga products is came from the deposit of the client. So, sobrang importante rin when you are starting your baking business, wag na wag kayong gagawa ng orders without asking for down payment or deposit. Yun yung nagiging problem ng ibang bakers, lalo yung mga baguhan, ginagawa na nila yung order nang walang deposit yung client. That's a no-no ha, kasi kapag nag-cancel yung client, wala na kayong habol kasi nga wala naman siyang dineposit sa inyo. So, bye guys. I guess this is it for now. Thanks for watching.